Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So for today's tip, the only thing you should use your company workstation for is work. You should never mix your personal web surfing, social media on any company device. If you want to check out your Hotmail account or your Facebook page, do it during your lunch hour, do it on your break, and do it on your personal device. There are over 600,000 Facebook accounts hacked every single day. If you're using a company device to access a promised account, you're opening up a door to a hacker who can then get into your company's network via your email or PC. Bottom line, company PCs, devices, phones, or internet are not for personal use. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Have a great day.